Imagine opening Google Keep and seeing nothing, no recipes, no work ideas, no voice notes. It sounds like a horror story, but users on Reddit report losing years of notes due to simple sync errors or app updates. Today I'm going to show you how to back up your Google Keep data in seconds using your web browser so you never have to worry about a disappearing note again. First, let's look at the fastest way to get your notes into a readable format. Head over to the Google Keep website. And if you are using Windows, you want to press Ctrl+A on your keyboard. Or if you're on Mac, Cmd+A. And that will select everything. If you've got hundreds of notes, hit Ctrl and the minus key. Or if you're on Mac, hit Command and minus to zoom out so the page can see all your notes at once. Now what you want to do is click on the three dots in the top right corner here and tap on Copy to Google Docs. This is great for text, but just keep in mind that labels, original creation dates and audio recordings won't transfer over to the doc. That's basically all there is to it.